Cynful loaded nachos. Start out with your meat. We're going to season it with that taco seasoning. And kind of get it all coated on all the pieces of meat. Drop them into your Instant Pot or crock pot. I have the directions for both in the end. Add your chicken broth. We're going to set it to pressure cook for 40 minutes. Hit start. And go ahead and start working on your refried beans. We're going to put a whole stick of butter in a pan. And we're going to add the canned refried beans. Now you can make your own fresh and they're pretty easy, and I'll do this one of these days for you. Once you got it all nice and mixed up, go ahead and add 1/4 cup of chicken broth and your picante sauce and just let it heat through. We're going to shred the meat now that it's done. And then we're going to put our chips down, put our meat and our beans on it, some cheese, put our nacho toppings, onions, tomatoes, sour cream, guacamole, a little bit of picante sauce. And you can stack these up pretty high. You can do it in layers. And that's all there is. I mean, you're done. Super simple, super easy. And it makes a great appetizer, or we made it a meal. So really, really good and simple to do. I do have a link to a printable recipe in the video description. But I'm showing it to you right now here. Now when you're cooking this, it can go Instant Pot or crock pot. Got the directions right here for those. I'd like to thank you for joining me in my kitchen today for some wonderful nachos. Please like and subscribe, and as always, have an awesome day.